So Ryan's making breakfast over there, cutting up some seasoning. We're gonna fry plantain and then we're gonna cook the sheen bread. The sheen in this pot.
Some pumpkin.
Hey guys, do you need breakfast? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're making breakfast now. We're making some fried plantain over there and boiling some food down. And we're gonna cook some veggie chunks. Looks like this. So babe, do you want me to... Oh, your pig is already. I'm gonna turn off the one for the chunks now.
Put some salt in the water.
Why are you putting salt in the chunks water?
No, the vegetable water.
That's so hot. Where's the cloth to use? Guys, I'm burning up my hand. Burning up my hand. Here we go. You got your phone ringing? Put the rest of the seasoning in now, will you?
Put the pumpkin in first.
Yeah, because you need to cook. This is so big. You cook the pumpkin, them like you cook pumpkin. So guys, we leaving the curd to simmer down. Let me simmer down a little bit, baby, and then we try it, taste it. After I simmer down a bit, like when I see what the seasoning cook out. The flavors come out like the pumpkin and stuff.
This tastes good, you know?
Tastes good, don't you?
What? You don't have to cook it no more. Just
You can eat the same way.
Same way.
The seasoning is just fresh.
Just turn up.
The seasoning is just different.
Jesus, now it's starting to reduce down and get that creaminess.
Yeah. If I ate rice like that, I could eat. That would taste so good with rice.
Man?
So good.
Jaja, you know how you taste it. Alright, my friend.
So our breakfast is now ready, guys. We're having curry veggie chunks, the sheen, and plantains, and we're just having some mangoes, which is delicious. Guys, yeah, the food is so good. Like Ryan was saying, go ahead.
Honestly, this is the nicest food I've had in the past at least a good 3-4 years. Honestly, nice. Bad. I don't even understand how it could be so nice.
It's the fresh seasoning. Like
Jesus.
the fresh seasoning and the flavors.
Oh yeah, nice.
And the view.
Mm-hmm.
How better could it get? Like legit, how better could it get?
So, literally, alright. See this here? I think this is dashing. This was picked.
Come on closer. From your dad's farm.
Okay, so let me just go again. You see this here? Dashing. This was picked from my dad's farm yesterday. And the fact that it's in my plate now, well seasoned and cooked up good, and going into my mouth, fresh. I'm telling you, it's so fresh and tastes so good. Honestly, I can't believe how much flavor food has over
And
here
the
in comparison. It's different. Different bad. Totally
So,
different.
Guys, we're gonna devour this breakfast now. So
Mine's all done.
we're soon in the next video. I understand. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Mm-hmm.